BJP over the outrage in Jammu and Kashmir over a fashion show being held in Gulmarg. You've got the BJP questioning why this kind of conservatism is being pushed, saying it's radicals who are fanning communal fire. This after the fashion show was called out by NC-PDP leaders who claimed that it hurts religious sentiments because it's happening during Ramzan. And they've called it un-Islamic. Even as Omar Abdullah has promised an investigation, BJP is questioned why there's so much outrage, calling it completely unwarranted.
Massive controversy has erupted over the fashion show that was held in Gulmarg. What is the stand of Bharatiya Janata Party on this issue?
You see, Sunilji, we heard a plethora of arguments and counter-arguments on the floor of the Legislative Assembly also. So my personal opinion on this part, though we will see what are the contents of the complaint, what is the ultimate matter and issue, but what preliminary has come to my mind. You see, India is a diverse country. Here atheism and inatheism also. Here vegetarianism and non-vegetarianism also. So they all live in all unison, in all peace, in all tranquility with each and everybody. So I don't think that Kashmir, which has been a cauldron of, which has been a breeding ground of various cultures, various schools of thought, various schools of learning also, we should be so conservative that we have our pointers and all daggers drawn towards.
You feel the outrage is unwarranted?
I think a bit outmaneuvered, a bit out of context, and a bit stage managed also.
Sunilji Bhatt is joining us live with more details on the story. Sunilji, we just played out the conversation that you had with the BJP leader now, who's very clearly questioned what's with this outrage over a fashion show. And even as, you know, the BJP is saying that this is radicals who are fanning this kind of communal fire, calling a fashion show un-Islamic. You've got outrage in the assembly. NC, PDP, all of them raising questions of the government.
Well, Akshita, a massive political storm has erupted in Jammu and Kashmir over this fashion show that was held in Gulmarg. Whether it's the National Conference, PDP or other valley-centric parties, they have raised concern and there is massive outrage across the Kashmir Valley. BJP MLA Ranbir Singh Pathania is saying that this is a needless controversy and flames of conservatism are being stoked in the Kashmir Valley. He is saying that we should be, accepting all kinds of views and thoughts. So clearly he has slammed National Conference, PDP and other political parties who have raised concern over this issue. Earlier today, noisy scenes were witnessed in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly with members from National Conference, Congress and PDP saying that this kind of fashion show has hurt the sentiments of the people in the Kashmir Valley. There was massive uproar in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over this issue today. Now the BJP is saying that this is totally an unwarranted controversy. This kind of controversy has no place in Jammu and Kashmir, and he even went on to say that that this is a stage-managed, controversy. So clearly, this issue is snowballing into a major political controversy here in Jammu and Kashmir. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah spoke on this issue on the floor of the assembly and he said that government had nothing to do with this fashion show. It was a private event held at a hotel and an inquiry has been already ordered, but some preliminary facts have emerged and based on those facts he issued a statement on the floor of the assembly and he said that this matter will be thoroughly probed and if norms have been violated then police will be asked to take cognizance of this matter. Akshita, back to you.
All right, we'll track all the latest that comes in on this and those reactions. Thanks, Sunilji, for the moment.